Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial from HowTos. Today we will be buying Bitcoin with Luno. Before we proceed, this video is not in any way sponsored by Luno. You can use any exchange to buy cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin in Malaysia. However, Luno it is one of the regulated Bitcoin exchange in Malaysia that is registered under Security Commission of Malaysia. So the first step of buying a Bitcoin is obviously to register an account under Luno. You can sign up straight on Luno website or you can use the link on the description below. Do take note that we make a bit of commission when you sign up under the link that is on the description. So the sign up process is pretty straightforward. You will just have to key in your personal information such as your email and your password. Over the next step, you will have to verify your Luno account with your IC and your selfie. So do take note that this process of verification can take a bit of time as Luno is regulated by Security Commissions of Malaysia, so it will take around 1 to 2 weeks for your account to be verified by Luno. So do make sure that the documents that you submit are crystal clear and sharp and can be read. So Luno is known to be quite fussy when it comes to documentation. So after around 2 weeks of ding dong, we have finally got our account verified by Luno. So it is time to make some deposit and buy some cryptocurrency. So when you first log into your Luno account, you will need to verify that you understand the risk warning of buying cryptocurrencies. Click confirm to proceed. The next obvious thing to do is to deposit some local currency into our Luno account. So back to home, the wallet section will be the place where you want to deposit local currency and to buy or withdraw Bitcoin or any other currencies. So we will click on wallets to proceed. So over the wallets section, these are where your major transactions are performed. In order to buy some Bitcoin, we will need to deposit some local currency into our Luno account. To do that, click on local currency. Next, click on deposit. So over the next window, set the amount of local currency that you want to deposit into your Luno account. Okay, once you have clicked next, the bank-in account deposit will be displayed to you. So you will need to make a bank deposit into the details that is shown to you, which includes the tracing number that you have to put on the details. So I'm using Maybank to you to transfer some deposit into my Luno account. So do make sure that you put your reference number into the deposit information. Okay, once we have done transferring, it is time to wait for Luno to accept the deposit into our account. Okay, the deposit process took less than 10 minutes, so we have received 100 ringgit in our Luno account, so we will have the options now to buy some Bitcoin or Ethereum. So now back to our wallet, click on wallets. So we can see that the 100 ringgit has been deposited into our Luno account. So I guess we will be buying 50 ringgit worth of Bitcoin through Luno. So to start buying or selling some Bitcoin, you can use the functions over here. To start buying Bitcoin, click on buy. Next, your local currency balance will be displayed. So select the local currency that you want to pay for your Bitcoin. Next, enter the amount of local currency that you want to buy. So this will be converted into Bitcoin value. So I'll be buying a 50 ringgit worth of Bitcoin. You can also select the frequency of buying. This is for long-term accumulation. So for this case, I will be buying Bitcoin as one-off basis. Once you have confirmed the details, click on next to proceed. So your transaction amount will then be displayed. So you will be getting around 0.0009 worth of Bitcoin for around 49 ringgit. So do take in mind that Luno charges a 2% service charge for each transaction. You can see that the value here is a bit less due to transaction charge from Luno. So once you buy and sell, that will be a total of 4% service charge, which is quite hefty. Next, you will need to enter your two-factor authentication code, or this can be the code that is sent to your email. Okay, we have done purchasing 50 ringgit worth of Bitcoin. Now we are waiting for Luno to execute the order. Okay, so once the order is executed, we will receive the amount of Bitcoin into our Luno account or Luno wallet. So you can see here that the local currency has been deducted and we are getting 49 ringgit worth of Bitcoin. So to buy Ethereum, you will need to add an Ethereum wallet into your Luno account. So to do that, just click on type of crypto that we want to buy. So click on create wallet. So now we have a balance of 0 Ethereum. So if we go back to wallet, we will now have the options to buy Ethereum. So click on buy. So there are two choices that you can make, Bitcoin or Ethereum. So for this we'll be using buying Ethereum by using our local currency, which is just put in the amount of Ethereum that we want to buy for 50 ringgit. Click next. So as usual, there will be a 2% charge from Luno. Just click confirm to proceed and enter your two-factor authentication code. So right now we have 0 ringgit left on our local currency, but we have converted this currency into 49 ringgit worth of Bitcoin and 49 ringgit worth of Ethereum. To do any withdrawal, you can just sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can convert this into local currency, and you can once you have sold it, you can withdraw this local currency into your bank account. So that's all for the tutorial on Luno. So I hope that the tutorial has been informational. Do give us a like if it has been. Thank you and have a nice day.